We will show you how to correctly install the traction wheels on your iMOW EVO robotic mower. Activate the device lock before you start. To do so, press the stop button once. Then, press and hold the stop button until the light strip fully lights up red. Now press on stop one last time. If the light strip flashes up a second time, the device lock is activated. Place the iMOW EVO on a stable surface and lean it sideways against the wall. Make sure to secure it against falling over. The scope of delivery includes, apart from the traction wheels, wheel weights, foam rings for the front wheels, and 2 new screws. Turn the rear wheel until you can see a small recess on the wheel rim. You can easily lift up and remove the rim by inserting a screwdriver at this point. Remove the screw of the mounted wheel entirely. They must not be used again for the traction wheels. Now you can remove the rear wheel. If necessary, you can tap a hammer briefly and lightly against the underside of the wheel to make it come loose more easily. Afterwards, you can clean the wheel axle with a microfiber cloth. Now place the traction wheel on the wheel axle and ensure that the wheel fits properly. Afterwards, you have to firmly fasten the wheel with a new screw. Now repeat the previous steps also on the opposite side. After you have completed the installation of the traction wheels, remove the screws and the panels of the front wheels one after the other. For a perfect fit of the wheel weights, insert the supplied foam ring in the panels of the front wheel. Afterwards, you can insert the wheel weight and mount the panels. Then, insert all the screws again and screw them on tightly. Repeat these steps also for the other front wheel. Fully assembled, the iMOW EVO is now ready for use on slopes up to 60%.